Hey everyone, for those of you who are looking for the recording associated with Chapter 1 of the Dao De Jing, you can go to daozhen.net and it will take you to this webpage here. All you have to do is to click on the Dao De Jing here, the Dao De Jing lectures. Here I've got all 81 chapters. You can tell from chapter 2 to chapter 45. Still haven't published those. We're getting caught up on those, but everything from 46 onward to the end are live links, and chapter 1 we just recently completed. So if you were to click on that, you will also be able to see all the video recordings. In chapter 1, we had a lengthy discussion, so you will see chapter 1, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and if you need MP3 instead of video, you can download them here. For your convenience, I got paraphrase down here, and there's additional notes on the interpretation as well as translation. So quite a bit of material for anyone who's interested to sink their teeth into. So I hope that helps. And for those who remember what we did previously on chapter 81, for instance, or the chapters before that, they're all fully documented.